In this tutorial series, we have built an app that allows you to log in with your seed phrase or create a new Solana account, and within the app, you can view your balance, your NFTs, you can create a new NFT from an image on your device, and in the last video, we talked about configuring RPCs for the different Solana networks. Today, we'll be learning how to burn NFTs from our Flutter app. On QuickNode.com, we find a guide on how to burn SPL tokens on Solana, link in the description. From this guide, we've taken information that we adapt to our Dart code to burn NFTs from our app. Let's get started. Let's go to the GitHub repository with the latest code for our app, link in the description. We'll copy the path and do a git clone from VS Code. We'll load the new directory and we're ready to start. First, we'll create a new page where we'll display our NFT. In the Pages folder, we'll create a file called show NFT page Dart, and inside, we'll create a stateful widget. Show NFT page will access this page from the home root. Specifically, by clicking on the NFT we want to display, and it will receive an NFT instance that we'll declare like this. Our page will consist of a scaffold with a column where we'll add the elements of our UI and a floating action button to take us back to the home root. The first element in our column will be the image of the NFT we received from the home root. Below this, we'll place the name of the NFT like this, and the description of our NFT. Finally, we'll place a text button that will read burn NFT and display a fire emoji. To see how our UI is coming along, let's create the route to navigate to this page. In the main.dart file, we'll take the create NFT route as a reference, which we'll copy, changing the path to show NFT, and we'll declare a variable of type NFT called NFT. We'll automatically import the NFT model, and our variable will take the NFT parameter from state.extra on the route. Let's not forget to return the show NFT page receiving the NFT variable we just created in the parameter. In the home.dart file, we'll look for the Show NFT tab inside the NFT list and in the onTap function of the list tile. Where we display each NFT, we'll add the navigation to our new route with the corresponding NFT as the extra parameter. We can test our new route by running our app and clicking on the NFT shown in our Show NFTs tab. We'll see the image name and description as we've programmed it, and our Burn NFT button. When clicking this button, we want to display an alert box to confirm the decision to burn the NFT. So, in our Show NFT page file, we'll go to the onPressed parameter of our text button and place this Show Burn dialog function that we'll create. This function uses Show dialog to display an alert dialog with the text, warning, are you sure you want to burn this NFT? And in its actions, a cancel button, which will close the alert box, and a burn button from where we'll start the burn process. In the services folder, we'll create the file burn.nft.dart, and inside it, we'll create the burn.nft function, which will receive an NFT variable of type NFT. Let's remember that we've previously created our NFT class in the models folder, nft.dart file, which will automatically import as seen on screen. In the QuickNode guides, we analyze in the instruction all the information we'll need for the burn. We need the associated token account, This is the account that associates our wallet with the NFT's mint address. We need the mint address, the owner wallet address, which will be our wallet, amount and decimals, which will be 1 and 0 respectively. Of course, we'll also need a Solana client and our private key to sign the transaction. We'll start by reading our QuickNode RPC from the phone's storage. Let's remember that the QuickNode RPC allows us to obtain NFT information for an account on Solana through its NFT API. We read the network key value, and depending on the result, we read the respective RPCs from memory. Then with these values, we create our Solana client as seen on screen. Let's not forget to import the Solana library. Now we get our private key to sign the transaction by reading our secret phrase from the device storage and converting it to a key pair through the from a mnemonic method of the ed2555519HD key pair class from the Solana library. We need the mint address of our NFT, and luckily the QuickNode NFT API, as we can see in the documentation, gives us this information in the token address parameter. However, if we look in our NFT API file, we see that in our fetch, in the omit fields parameter, we have this parameter included, so we would be omitting this address in the request. We should remove the token address from our omit field parameter, and in our nft.dart file, in the models folder, we'll add the token address variable like this, along with its declaration in the from.json and to.json methods, so we can receive the NFT address properly. Then we'll get the mint address by sending our token address that we'll receive from the API to the FromBase58 method available for the ed25519HD public key class from the Solana library. We just need to get the associated token account. If we look in our mint nft.dart file, we see that to get the associated token account, we need to derive it through a seed that will contain the public key of our wallet, the token program ID, the NFT's mint account, and the associated token account program ID. We'll copy the token program ID to paste it in our burn NFT file. We'll also copy the associated program ID, and in the same way, we'll copy all the code to get our associated token account. We just need to change the name of the mint address that here we've called token mint address, and we already have everything we need to make our burn instruction. We declare this instruction variable and take from the Solana library the token instruction class burnChecked method. Analogous to how the QuickNode guide indicates, and we'll place amount as 1, decimals as 0, the account to burn from. We'll place the associated token account that we derived earlier in mint, the mint address that we obtained from the QuickNode API and converted to a public key earlier, and in owner our public address like this. And that's how our instruction would look. We create a message with our instruction as the only element in a list in the instructions parameter as seen on screen, and we send the transaction with the message, our private key, as the only element in the signers list, and the commitment set to confirm. We'll return this result. For this, we need to set our function as future string in the home.dart file. We just need to call this function with the NFT that we have available in the show NFT route. And when running the app, we go to our show NFT page with our NFT and press burn. After waiting some time, we go back to the home route and see that our NFT has indeed been removed. If we go to Solana FM with our wallet address in QuickNode DevNet mode, we see that our last transaction shows the burning of our NFT, and if we open the image, we see our NFT with a supply of 0. If you made it here, you now know how to burn NFT from your mobile app.
If you have any questions or ideas, leave them in the comments. Subscribe for more. Until next time.